Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Indra Sapta and this is my partner.
Marcel Saktiawan.
Today we will present Docker, an essential technology in the world of IT and DevOps.
First, what is Docker? Docker is an open source platform designed to develop, package, distribute, and run applications within containers. Containers are lightweight, portable, and isolated units that include everything needed to run an application, such as code, libraries, dependencies, and configuration. With Docker, application can run consistently across different environments from a developer's computer to production server.
Let's talk about Docker history. 2013, the beginning of Docker. Docker was first created by Solomon Hayekes as an internal project at .cloud, later renamed Docker Inc. The goal was to simplify application development and deployment by using containers. 2013 open source release. In March 2013, Docker was released as an open source project, allowing developers worldwide to contribute and use the technology. Docker revolutionized containerization, making it more efficient and portable than traditional virtualization. 2014 to 2016 rapid growth. By 2014, Docker became extremely popular in DevOps. Features like Docker Hub for sharing images and Docker Compose for managing multi-container applications were introduced. 2016 present industry standard. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon adopted Docker. With Docker Swarm and Kubernetes, Docker remains a key tool in cloud computing and DevOps.
Common problems encountered when using Docker. Port conflicts occur when two or more containers or application attempt to use the same port on a host at the same time. In the context of Docker, each container can have an internal port, but when those ports are mapped to a host, no two containers can use the same host port. Solution use the MinP flag for port mapping such as Dockeran MinP 8080.280. Make sure each container has a unique port.
How Docker works. Main Docker component. 1. Docker engine, the part that manages and runs the container. Docker engine is the core of Docker that allows us to control all the process inside Docker. 2. Docker image. A Docker image is a template or blueprint for the application that will run inside a container. This image contains everything needed to run the app, like the code, dependencies, and settings. 3. Docker container. A Docker container is the actual running instance of an application inside a container. It's the place where your application runs, isolated from other systems.
Comparison between Docker and virtual machine. Key difference: size. Containers are lightweight as they only carry the application and its dependencies. VMs are heavier as they include a full operation system. Startup time. Container fast in seconds. VM slower takes minutes. Kernel usage. Container share the host kernel. VM has a separate kernel. Resource efficiency. Container more efficiency because it shares resource. VM consumes more memory and storage.
Advantage and disadvantage of Docker. Advantage: high portability. Docker can run anywhere, PC, server, cloud, as long as Docker engine is installed. Easy scalability. Container can be quickly scaled up or down depending on application need. Efficient resource management. Docker is lighter than virtual machine because it shares the host kernel and does require an additional operating system. Disadvantage: not suitable for GUI application. Docker is more ideal for CLI based or server-side application, not for application requiring graphical interface. Dependency on host kernel. Container shares the host kernel, so they only support OS compatible with the host kernel. Lower security compared to virtual machine. Size: containers share the host kernel. A problem or vulnerability in the host kernel can be affected at container.
Example of Docker usage. Running Nginx web server. Pull Nginx image. First, pull the Nginx image from Docker Hub using the following command. Run Nginx in a container. Once the image is pulled, run the container using the command. Check the container status. After running the container, you can check its status and view the list of running containers using the commands. This is what it looks like when I test accessing the web server in a web browser.
Conclusion: Docker is a modern and highly efficient solution for development and distribution of applications, allowing applications to run the same way on different computers without needing to set up or reconfigure the system every time. Main benefit of Docker: first, application isolation using container. High portability with images that can be moved across different platforms. Simplify development of application in various environments. Innovation. One innovation that can be developed in Docker is the Docker AI Optimizer, an AI-based system that automatically optimizes container resource usage, such as CPU and memory, based on application usage pattern. With the innovation, Docker can become more efficient in managing workload, reduce power consumption, and improving application performance without manually intervention.
That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment.